Hello dear users, Rex from BigSeller. For this video, I will show you how to set Shopee discount promotions on BigSeller. With this feature, you don't need to log into Shopee Seller Center to set the discount promotions. You can set it for multiple Shopee stores in one BigSeller account directly. To use this feature, you can go to BigSeller Productions Discount Promotions. All the promotions will be shown here. If you edit discount promotions on Shopee Seller Center, you can click Sync Promotions here to sync them to BigSeller. You can sync one by one here, one by one, or you can sync all promotions. You can see some status for your promotions here. You can filter by stores or filter by status here. To create a new promotion on BigSeller, you can click Create Promotion. Select a Shopee store. Input the promotion name, start time, according to your Shopee site. Please note that the promotion period must be at least 1 hour and not exceed 180 days. Next, you can select products you want to get involved in these discount promotions. Here you can select discount and purchase limit. You can set them one by one. Here, input one by one, bulk edit, or bulk edit all here. After inputting all information, click Publish. Then you can find this new promotion created successfully. Here. And when you want to create the same promotion for a different date, you can use the duplicate function. In this way, you can create a new promotion quickly. Only need to set the start and end times. Okay. And that's all about how to set Shopee discount promotions on BigSeller. Contact us if you have any questions. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications. Thank you. Bye.